This is how you can search through all the text messages on your iPhone really easily. Just open iMessage. If you have iOS 26, there's a little search bar at the bottom. If you have an older version, you just swipe down from the top on your message list and you'll see a search bar appear. And all you have to do is tap into the search and start typing something like hello, and then every instance of the word hello is going to be pulled up in here, and there could be a lot. It's going to show a few highlights in this list here. You can also tap on see all in the top right, and that's going to show every single time. So if you're searching for something like the address to your friend's house that you misplaced, maybe you could type in address and it'll pop up in a text message. There's lots of use cases for it. You get the idea. If you want to make your search a little bit broader, you can use the spotlight search feature, which is at the bottom of iOS 26. And you just type in the word hello or whatever your search term is, and then scroll down and you'll see a messages section. And this will show you all the messages that contain the word hello. There's a little shortcut here. If you tap on that, it'll take you to iMessages and do the search for you. Usually it shows more results in here because we saw there's a bunch of results that have the word hello. At least shows one in here. This is another way you could search throughout your entire device, not just your messages. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out the video on your screen right now, which is going to show you how to set any song as your ringtone for your phone. Super cool video. I'll see you there.